Hey friends, if you encounter the error GPUID 100, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Now, it can be software specific, so if you're using a very heavy game that is not supported by your system, or it is supported as per the minimum requirements but not the recommended ones, then I would suggest you not to play that game. Now, what can you do beyond this? So, search for device manager in the Windows search bar, open the device manager. Expand the list for display drivers. Right click on your display driver and select uninstall device. Don't worry, it will shift your system to the basic driver. It won't kill the system immediately. Then click on action and scan for hardware changes. It will reinstall the drivers. The next one will be to check for overheating. So when you use a GPU intensive program or software on your computer, it also impacts the fans. The fans run faster. So you need to make sure that the vent is clear. And the last one is obviously clean boot to isolate the possibility of interference by third party driver. Search for system configuration in the Windows search bar and open system configuration. Go to the Services tab, check the box associated with Hide on Microsoft Services. If any other service is checked, click on Disable or Apply, OK, and then restart your computer. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.